off button here. Now we do need to plug it in still. It plugs in like that. Plug that in, and then you have a cord for your passenger seat, a cord for driver's seat. It all fits right under there. Probably should have plugged this in first. So when you have it plugged in, just plugs in there and goes into there. I'll get it all tucked away nicely later. As you can see, it has power, so I can turn it on. And then you've got low speed, medium speed, high speed. Let's put it on high. That definitely provides a lot of cooling and will keep me cool in the Florida hot sun, as well as the sun around here in the GTA. It's very warm, and actually the cooling functionality of this is fantastic. And it is pretty comfortable. I have to adjust my seat a little bit because it does bump it out a bit based on, well, I'll videotape it. But it bumps it out a little bit further than the traditional seat because of course now you have a additional layer on your seat, and it's actually comfortable. I was a bit concerned myself actually that it wouldn't be comfortable, but I still find it comfortable. And here, let me get my seat. Oh, my charging cable is connected in, so my seat won't auto adjust when I press the brake. But if you ever get back sweat or butt sweat while you're driving and it's hot and it's warm, it's only 11 degrees Celsius here in the GTA area, but as I head down to Florida, it's going to be 30 degrees, and this seat is going to become a necessity. And as soon as we head into summer, it's definitely going to be a necessity as well. I have these new cooling seat covers from Tlyard. Now this is the white version. You can also get it in black, but my reason being for getting it in the white was that when the sun's hitting it during the day and the car is out, it's not heating up, so it'll help with that. And I've got it all hooked up and plugged in here already, so I can turn it on. It's currently at its highest speed, and it gets cooling very quickly, so it can keep your behind and your back nice and cool, especially in the hot summer days. Although it's only 11 degrees today, but it's nice and warm out, well, warm in the vehicle, and I find it very helpful. So check out the link in description below for a discount if you're looking for it. I would highly recommend it, especially coming up to the summer. You want to be prepared and prevent that back sweat. Actually, I think it will also help prevent having to use the air conditioning too much, so it might save you a little bit of range on those longer road trips if you're trying to squeeze out the maximum range. Cooling yourself down, it is a must for the summer. Check out the link in description, and thank you Tlyard for supporting the channel.